generally comes in the competitive examination, that if a square means that is the square, and the rhombus means this is the rhombus, stand on the same base, okay, and the ratio of the areas of the square and the rhombus, a square and a rhombus, as they are in the same base, okay, so their ratios is also is equal to 1. So square of a rhombus is equal to a is equal to square of a square. So their area is, ratio of the areas is 1. That is the same area. Okay. So that is the matrix. 1 is the answer. 1 is the answer. This type of problem generally comes in the also examinations, that the length of the one diagonal of a rhombus, suppose this is a rhombus, okay, the length of the one diagonal, this is one diagonal, that is A, B, C, D. Always mark this A, B, C, D is anti-clockwise, okay, anti-clock. This is a system of geometry. Rhombus is 80% of the other diagonal. Length of this length is more than 80% of the other diagonal. The area of the rhombus is how many times the square of the length of the other diagonal. So when this type of problem is came, D1, suppose this is D1 and this is D1, this is D2. This is D2, this is D2. So D1 is equal to 80 by 100 into D2. Okay. So D1 is equal to 4 by 5 D2. And the area of rhombus, the formula of area of rhombus is half of D1 into D2. Half of the multiplication of the both diagonal. So half of D1 is equal to 4D2 by 5 into D2. Okay. The value comes from the here. So 2 by 5 D2 square. So the value of the diagonal, how many times the square of the length of the other diagonal, square of the length of the diagonal is D2 square, the 5 times, okay, that 5 times the square of the length of the diagonal. That is the answer. And the area of the rhombus is half into multiplication of both diagonals. Okay. So please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel so that you will be notified and you will know that SSC CGL will be held in this year. And for the this type of questions are the common questions, and you have to know the tricks and the formulas, because the area of rhombus, that is the formula, that is the tricks. So you will be qualified, I hope. Okay, and please subscribe this channel for getting more video.